Hello and welcome to another unboxing at Gadgets 360. This is the Nokia 2.2 from HMD Global, which is the direct successor to the Nokia 2.1. Let's see what we get inside the box. But before we go ahead, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new awesome video. Let's get started. The Nokia 2.2's packaging is fairly simple. There's the name of the phone on the front along with an Android One logo. Some of the key specifications are mentioned on the back and we are going to talk about them in a while. So that's the Nokia 2.2 packaging. Let's go ahead and quickly unbox this phone. First, we are greeted with the smartphone itself and it is packed in plastic. Let's take it out. It's interesting that the Nokia 2.2 has a removable back, so there's no need for a SIM eject tool in the box. Let's put it aside and see what else we get. There's the battery. Let's take it out of its plastic covering and put it in the phone so we can boot it up. Next is some standard documentation. And finally, we have the power adapter. And a USB cable. So that was a quick look at what we get inside the box of the Nokia 2.2. The Nokia 2.2 sports a 5.71-inch display with an HD+ resolution. There's a tiny notch at the top and a pretty thick chin on the bottom of the front. Nokia is touting the 400 nit brightness of this display, which it says allows for a good viewing experience indoors as well as outdoors. At the top there's a headphone jack, while there's a micro USB port at the bottom for charging. On the right we have the volume controls along with the power button, while the left has a dedicated button to quickly summon the Google Assistant. Being an Android One device, the Nokia 2.2 runs on Android 9 Pie and promises 2 years of major OS updates as well as 3 years of security updates. Under the hood there's a quad-core MediaTek A22 SoC with either 2GB of RAM and 16GB of storage or 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. Speaking of storage, it is expandable using a micro SD card. The slot for this can be found below the plastic back cover of the Nokia 2.2. In terms of photography, there's a 13 megapixel rear camera with an LED flash and an f2.2 lens. At the front there's a 5 megapixel camera for selfies. The Nokia 2.2 is available in two color options, tungsten black and steel. Introductory prices have been set at 6,999 rupees for the 2GB RAM variant and 7,999 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant. This offer is valid till the 30th of June, after which the prices will be 7,699 rupees for the 2GB RAM variant and 8,699 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant. Pre-bookings start today and the phone will be available pan-India on Flipkart and Nokia.com as well as other retail outlets from June 11th. That was our quick unboxing and first look at the Nokia 2.2, but do stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for our full review. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.